Hey, my name is Sarah, and I am the proud owner of a new home. The journey to home ownership hasn't been an easy one, and I have faced my fair share of obstacles. I worked really hard to get to the spot that I am at now. It is so important to have a saving strategy. I started saving for my goals when I was in the 4th grade and started investing money at a young age. I decided to buy a house because there is no return on investment when you rent like there can be when you own a home. Luckily for me, the stars all aligned and I found my first home. When shopping around for mortgages, many institutions look down on me because of my age. Not many 22-year-old single females have the ambition, drive, and resources to buy their own home. My parents have used MMFCU for years. I worked with Mary Beth, who was amazing. Despite my approval process being expedited to just 30 days, Mary Beth made the process smooth and easy. Since I've moved in, my family and my service dog have been my strongest support group. They helped me get settled, paint and renovate my home. It's amazing what a little bit of challenging planning and money discipline can do for someone's life.